Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fam2cents cooking video, and this one's gonna be a bit of an experimental one. So what I've been doing is basically every time I make anything, I've been trying to record it no matter what. Even if I don't plan on making it a video, I record it anyway because I've been thinking about making these very shorter, more compact, kind of to the point, videos where I talk about a dish that I made, and maybe I don't go into every detail and show you everything to do step by step, but I'm just like, I made this thing, this is how I did it really quick, here's the finished product, hope you like it, and then later on, if for whatever reason it is requested that I make that into a longer, more fuller video and people are interested, then I could always pick that up and do that at a later date. But this is gonna be the best way for me to really get content out at a reasonable time frame. So we're gonna give this a shot and see how it works out. Feedback is very important, guys. I know I say this a lot, but it really helps. It lets me know that the things that I'm trying are working or not working, and maybe I should try something different or whatever. It also helps with the algorithm, so I'm gonna need you guys to really come out and let me know in the comments how you feel about this video, if you thought it was effective, if you liked it or whatever, so that way I know to keep doing them and that it works, because if not, I'm just gonna keep bouncing back and forth between all kinds of different things and throwing things at the wall to see what sticks, until something sticks. And my video formats have changed so many times so many times at this point that I think it's about time that I try to find some consistent, easy video formats that I can stick to, but the only way I know you guys care is if you comment and say that you actually care. So if you don't, then you don't, but please, if you do, let me know. Alright, so I wanted to try something interesting, because I've made katsu quite a bit at this point, and this time around I wanted to have katsu, but I didn't want to make full-sized katsu, and I thought, like, there's no rule that says you can't really make like katsu nuggets, right? Because I had some meat, some chicken thighs, meat that I had cut up from trimming chicken before, and I had some left over, and I was just like, you know what, how about I just marinate this and make like some mini katsu to put in ramen, because that would be good. Instead of like a big one, just make some little katsu nuggets. You can eat them one at a time instead of having to worry about cutting a big piece of katsu across and all that stuff. Just make it more compact, a little more easy. And I decided to try that, and boy oh boy, was it one of the best ideas I have ever had. It was straight up delicious. So I decided to do that. I got the katsu, like I said, that I marinated that overnight, and I breaded it and did all the stuff, added the panko breadcrumbs and stuff, and kind of let it sit for a little bit so I can adhere, and I fried it like I would regular katsu, and it was awesome. And it's so weird because it's not like this is some novel concept, like I just created some new thing. I've never actually seen myself, anybody, make katsu nuggets before, but I'm sure somebody has had to by now, right? Like, somebody has had to do it, you would think. But if not, then go tell people that I was the first one to do it. Send it to Gordon Ramsay, maybe he'll like it. Either way, I made these, they were delicious. I made 2 bowls of ramen. Also, Squishy just wanted beef ramen, so I made her some regular beef ramen. I put some mushrooms and just a couple other little vegetables. I think it was just mushrooms and carrots I put in hers, sauteed them a bit, and put that in there, and you'll see the final product of that at the end of the video. And then I did mine, but I added a bit more veggies and stuff and made it look all fancy. Now, this can definitely be a part of your Pimp My Ramen playlist, if you have one, of people kind of taking ramen, something very basic and simple, and taking it to the next level. This was absolutely one of those times because it was really good and absolutely worth it to do it the way that I did it. So if you'd like to try, it's very easy. If you've never seen or had Katsu nuggets before, let me know down in the comment section below, because I thought it was pretty interesting and it tasted pretty good. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you guys. Like I said, shorter videos, more to the point, hopefully. That intro was pretty long, but it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoy these new kind of short form, smaller videos. They really work out for me, and it makes it a little easier for me to be able to get you guys more content. So like I said, definitely hit that like button. If you didn't like it, hit that dislike button. But more importantly, don't forget to follow and share, because that stuff all helps the algorithm also. So thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one.